siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikamamini siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst.
Hi, welcome to Disky Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Hi, welcome to our soccer podcast study. We're going to show last week recaps. Betway Premiership. Durban City 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 3. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. Stellenbosch FC 0, Sawalili 2. Omazulu FC 0, Polokwane City 1. Chippa United 0, Magisa FC 0. Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College FC 1. Sekakun United 1, Richards Bay 1.
Carling Knockout Cup. Golden Arrows 2, penalty Golden Arrows 2, Marumo Gallants 2, penalty Marumo Gallants 4. Richards Bay 0, Orlando Pirates 1. The final is coming December 6th, Peter Mokaba Stadium, Polokwane is. Orlando Pirates versus Marumo Gallants. Who going to take this one? Let's check what we said about Orlando Pirates on our show, recap.
Khona kuseni ngivuze ubuya nje kuseni amemeza Pirates idliwe Pirates yabo hayi no at least ukudliwa kwebhakabhaka kwekwayenza abanye abantu baba happy kuyadingeka ukuthi wonke umuntu kube nesikhathi abe happy emhlabeni yabona but ke ama-fans are disappointed webhakabhaka ngokudliwa kwebhakabhaka disappointed kakhulu because ama-fans awasa-expectanga ukuthi ibhakabhaka lidliwe manje but sibonile thina abanye ukuthi sidliwe kanjani icoach aye yazama uku-explora lana yathi hayi le club esangifika ku-league awuthi si-explore lana yastarta ngama-player ayi-3 engajwayelanga ukudlala ngawo kodwa ku-backline ifasile iplayer usesane nje iplayer engathi mhlambe kuleya backline yami ebeyidlala umuntu omusha but ke i-backline ishawe yini miscommunication lama player we Magesi mawathatha run before the ball was even played mabathatha run for the first goal eMagesi mabathatha run ama player wethu ahlahla amehlo nje abheka ibhola wabhekanga abantu abathatha run no one was aware of they were not aware of each other yabo nalo bekase space sakhe ayi1 banganakananga bonke le ntwana eqhamuka sehead ibhola le izigijimela free abayibonanga nokuthi ifike nini ngapha emva kwa auto if auto bekalapho kulelo side but yeah ishawe miscommunication yama backline kule first goal and then after that Magesi was always too fast than us sizamile so in the first 8 minutes fanele ngabe siqedile ngale team but amajita bengasilanga lawo so ngithe mangibheka le game yePirates ngathi hayi bengasilanga le bhakabhaka leli mangasilanga lakho ediskini awudinga ama skills kuphela but sometimes you need luck. So there was no luck on our side ngale game le eMagesi sayibongela iMagesi mara asohlangana naye eligini soyibamba ngabo boma 4-5 nil siyeza ngaleyo revenge eMagesi sifisela inhlanhla ukuqhubekela phambili yabo yeah
okay malume sivile ama updates score but guys ngene ma details manje kulona sicela igame ebhakaniye man sibonile ke kunalentwana
ukota
yeah beautiful goal lapha so ungasitshelani ngale game ebhakaniye
no it was a nice game ebhakaniye ngithuswe yiyo nje lentwana ukota uyabona intwana bengayithatheli cop 2 uyabona so mase sengithi ngiyakhithizise lentwana ibuyapi bathi hayi abayibuya ku development uyabona ebhakabhaka ishaya ibhola elihle kakhulu lela bhola lingacontender for ball of the season especially new up and coming player so yeah it was a very good goal le shayo lo mfana ukota yabona so kuyasho ukuthi amabhakabhaka no ngiloko nginey'ntwana ey'ncane eziwuhlupho kusho ukuthi nami ibhakabhaka ngiyafana neBarcelona ngigijima ngabodado mara abodado ungabathembi mababodwa fanele bese sokuthi lapha ku-backline ube nayo insimbi endala kuthi lapha ku-midfield futhi ube nayo insimbi endala bese sokuba nalo ihlanyela phambili ebantwini abadala then i-team yakho izoba a-balanced team.
Okay. But on the very same game, Lomfana will be powerful. He scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
Do you think the coach was supposed to take him out and put what's it?
Fanele umkhiphe intwana ekhiphe uyiphumuze yabona and ungayenzi intwana ibe big headed intwana ezinye mangwenyumpuli iba big headed and bese seyaqala create ama mistakes nize kuze equalize team ngendaba yayo intwana because manje say too excited so ngalesikhathi sajabulile sometimes fanele uyidonse protector until izijwayele intwana
PSL is it too early to predict which team will take it to league this time concerning nama games we are go Chiefs ukudlala Sundowns iBhakaniya na 5 game in a row clean sheet
sometimes ngiyagijimisa 5 game gijimisa 8-10 games but Sundowns siyakhumbula ukuthi ke ahamba nga how many games without a loss so iPirates ayaka break lelo record le Sundowns so ngeke sisheshe sishayile izandla icoach eBhakabhaka asikakaboni kusase early
Ukraine Mr Mzerowa sure man asingene endabeni man wangithinta ufuna ukungicocela kancane ngale game yePirates le nabo River ukwenzakalana ngitshela ubone kanjani ngoba manje ngizwile ukhala ngoRiver.
Like I've said guys mina ngithanda umuntu omamelayo ndokukhumbulayo mangikhuluma ngithe iningi lama coach labo River ngoba kune course baye esikolweni bayo crema lento abayicrema babhale baphasi laba bayidlalile ibhola balaziyo abekho involved kakhulu njengalaba baye esikolweni laba
njengoba bothe ukhona laba benza itheory ukhona laba benza ipractical
exactly so laba practical njengathi sikhula nayo lento isegazini siyayazi and ngiyayifila ipain out mabeyikhahlela nanoma kwenzakalani but laba be-theory laba khohlwa bazolokwenza ama-flop you know I'll be honest with you ibhola lamanje limnandi ibhola limnandi maliflowa abantu bajabulele nje but now if the referee is going to spoil the game forget that guy lo be-referee ePirates mamela uzokwashiwa bomthetho athi hayi umuntu uyamhlula game yena la kufana coachine khona iplayer lenithi yellow card uyoxoxa neplayer la kufana axoxa neplayer coachine iplayer I mean igame imnandi yashisa yavuthi yahamba mara umnika nje iplayer yellow card so imali sesama nokufaka inyawo ukuthi mhlawumbe ngebhadi ngoba lento ibhekene nami ngoba ufuna ukuprove ipoint ashaye red card engafanelanga mayingaka ama red card morever angaka amagoli akoriwa legit morever ayikho linesman ayikho so basimoshela labantu laba bayimili.
For 42 years, KV Funeral Home has stood beside families in their most difficult moments. We understand that losing a loved one is never easy. It's a time for mourning, remembrance, and love. At KV Funeral Home, we bring you peace of mind with a caring team that handles every detail so you can focus on saying goodbye with dignity. From custom tombstones, coffins, fresh flowers, and wreaths, to funeral and memorial planning, transportation, luxury family cars, video recording, and live streaming. We offer a one-stop, personalized service trusted across Soweto and the Gauteng area. Choose a plan that fits your family. Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity. But call us today, KV Funeral Home, where compassion meets tradition. KV Funeral Home, where compassion meets tradition. We believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity.
This thing I call, it's not for the first time. It has been happening for years. And the Unalibabos Tumangabanye Bolam Tutu, they are very happy and enjoying and celebrating what Pirates lost. They don't know the situation down there, the conditions down there. Just imagine Odala Diski, Awaja breakfast to sing. Only pre-match meal, all those things are already told. And again, treatment, our ground room. Automatically, mindset changed everything. That's how they treat us. And that's a hang out. I will lily pop win a game because but one but Charaga TV. About 2 last week or 2 on the TV. Channel television game of Pirates. 10 or 11 years back. Was that Alamo Fichi, Bomak Fishy, the Bokavan Lane. Those years, Bahutabana, the Panish, Modiso, but everything. But every Shapankar in Turner by Boone. So it goes back to Orlando Pirates, to South Africa versus Zimbabwe. Bapila yi, bajahi, mara haria kobon, retreater. They are always and forever against us.
No, ngibukela game Pirates, ngibukela short. It was interesting. Pirates was pressing all the way. Bebehlala baseAfinya lamazia lamashangana lasemaput lasealukude lamazimbane la. The only person on Moshele game referee. You look at the referees, the red cards. Number 1, khona lo ngathi uya-actor lo enolezi jinja uyoshaya lo mfana nge-forehead yethu uye kufuze athole i-red card. So umuremi uthola i-red card ngokuphusha nje lela zezimbani. Labo referee bafeyila bafowethu. Both red cards are not legit. They are not. Even the commentators are saying the red cards are not legit. Both match analysts have time. SABC one, they're all poor, boss. All poor. That lady with crooked eyes. Koshwa. Aye. These guys are failing, boss. They make commentary as well. It's poor. It's weak. Aye. They make people sleep, not watch the game. Aye, sugar. Mamela. Ibola linavar lamazizimba naze lazela ukuthi azodefenda idefendeli Pirates iphethe skill ufake sonke iskill wabeka uMakhupha ngaphandle nabo babasa wafaka lentwana ezisheshayo and it paid the dividends for him. What a coach and his technical team. Moreover, the players themselves. Mamela once and always a Pirate. How are they going to win Bakala?
Let's check what we said about Kaizer Chiefs on our show. Recap.
Kule season we're expecting because ukuthi libe khona na ku top 8 uyabona, so I believe the coach abayiphethe khona manje ayizowenza umehluko Kaizer Chiefs. Nawe nje mangathi uyalibheka ikhosi uyabona amathashes akhona ukuthi no ikhosi liyeza nakuyo le game ye SuperSport lelazama ukubuya ikhosi kodwa kwalokwenza bekungasilanga la. Yeah, ifan ye-Kaizer Chiefs ulanga sifuna ukwazi ngale game yamakhosi bewahambile amakhosi bewase-Angola ayogijima e-Angola ngabe uyibone kanjani?
Hayi babona igame yayizolo mfethu fine sidlale kahle mara iproblem engibonile ku defense yethu hey sibaze lapha ku defense lo mfana lo bathi uMcCarthy khona ama mistakes awayenzile lapha sacishe sakuthola ne goal bascore because of yena bangibheka futhi ne midfield yethu beyiweak brawami i-distributor bengekho ama strikers wakhona mara i-midfielder bebangana supply power and futhi ureferee wenza ama substitute wakhe late in the game whereby wabona uDupree uVilakazi no Dabu Duba substitute late. Abo coach abet, but substitute late in the game, whereby their team they say pace gwethu. Besides the fact that immediately
usakhuluma ngalowo nje ukuthi ni substitute late izolo ngabe ukuhamba kwecoach yenu ngoba ngizwe bathi ama-assistant coaches lawa bewabambele game yezolo ngabe uthini ngokuhamba kwecoach ye-Kaizer Chiefs?
Ukuhamba ngocoach ufethu coach yona bekumele ehambe because mina personally so as a fan ukuthi i-coach uma izokhuluma ikhuluma i-language yayo indlule somewhere ama-interpreter and all that stuff ayikhona man. I-coach asifuna i-coach ezokhuluma nama-players face to face like this, ama-players azwe i-coach from the horse's mouth wangithola. Hayi ukuthi i-coach ikhuluma i-language kube ne-interpreter ifike kuma-players no.
So kube bongathola i-opportunity yokukhuluma noBobby Mtaung bongathini ngoBobby Mtaung going forward nikhosi kucoacha entsha ezayo kumakhosi?
Mina ngathi uBobby Mtaung ngithi Bob Steak mawufuna i-coach funi i-coach eyazi ama-player our own South African players, culture, language, interaction. Sometimes ukulanda i-coach le Mozambique or Brazil or Kaya, a coach that knows nothing about South Africa and our culture mfethu akho. Yasibulala lento.
Ngabe ukhala nge-culture kuma-coaches or ukhala mhlambe nge-language?
Language is part of the culture mfethu. Biza i-coach eyazi ama-player ne-life and culture ukuthi siphila kanjani.
Ngizwile bathi njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs kulamalanga icoshe lo coach ngathi khona ucoach emfunayo. Ngizwile bathi uPitso Msimane ukhona lapho ku-list nalo ya coach osuka kubhakabhaka bathi ukhona ku-list. Ngabe uthini usakhala nalapho or bathola ucoach khona la ekhaya ukudala aloka la eSouth Africa?
Ake sithole ucoach abala ekhaya mfethu.
Lo ebengikhuluma naye uLanga Khatebe simbiza uMichael Jackson.
Yeah, Arbuga ka Chiefs, but we cannot start the last game in Wednesday. We should start the first game they played until now.
We can start anyways.
I'm saying this because Ibona Lakari, it was a fluke because they look very good. Very good. When the intentions the players look happy, and then the communication between the coach and the players was very good, and then we thought they'll continue with the very same thing. But when times goes on, Ramonadi changes go Chiefs, then that's where we were surprised, understand, and then they go back to the wins they were in past 3 years, and then it means Kaizer Chiefs is having a problem, not on the performance but on the power, which is the coaching staff. The coaching staff here at Kaizer Chiefs at this moment is not good at all. It's not good at all in a sense that harna a coach loring a hona winner a changing room, a hona winner a bench, whereby it in a total control over the players. Hence we indicate some issues states on key players at Chiefs. For example, 1, Habatu substitute, 2, you can see a performance here. Let's go back to the game between last time before the game here Wednesday. Yeah. The last game they played, a player scored the goal before it enters the net. Muchata Mila celebrated the polo, trap up polo offside, and it's a professional player. What does that? We send what kind of a message to us? It's a problem. Secondly, a player now recently they were playing CAF game. A player there's no goalkeeper, you miss the goal. It sent a message also, Leon. Then they play a game and look at the chances that Kaizer Chiefs create. They create a lot of chances on the third half, but they don't convert. The reason that Haba convert giving is because Kaizer Chiefs are aggressive. Kaizer Chiefs is not aggressive for that half. The Abawatli Polo a goal kahanga, and then it's like they want a goal loring. We can hold the ball also and put it into the net, and it doesn't work like that. So the balls are about defensive goals, and then I don't know in which version because the way Tamil by Tamil convert the way the goal. Havana a hungry player, it sorry. goal, you understand, and they don't have a fighting spirit, and there's too much division. Go bona. Arwasheva, Habua, Ubua like this, Habua, Ubua like this. So in that way, they give us a problem because Ubuavar hauna direction. I understand hauna direction. So Kaizer Chiefs at this moment, it's not an issue of players, it's an issue of power in the bench and in the changing room. So that is why the players this namata are. So the advice that we can give Kaizer Chiefs, especially management, it depends. They do understand or listen to what we are saying as the coaches from grassroots level, because there's issue of undermining, because who is this? Utsibang, we understand, then it's a problem. And then that is why a lot of supporters this suffer, because whatever they are saying, la lorinale logic, I feel go in a right way. If it's like wabatella, Katino, it's not like that. You are talking to Loring Itlanga club to another level. Bear in mind, Kaizer Chiefs has sponsors, has money, has everything, has also supporters. Playing home or away, Chiefs is home. We understand. So what is needed on the players and the coaches, let us make the supporters happy. Let us make whoever who is behind Kaizer Chiefs happy. You understand? So you can tell the players are not happy, not because of salaries and stuff, themselves. You understand? Hence was now a combinational play, teamwork, team spirit. How do you then dating Israel? We bonaka the results. You understand? Before they play a Wednesday game, I saw a table there log. If I'm not mistaken, 5 teams is not, if not 6 teams. Kaufela's on nearly 15 points, and all those games they were playing on Wednesday. What does that mean? It means as players, as coach, about what is happening. Then I have to go to the game and I feel like game gets a shock. Majita, 5 or 6 having 15 points. Then let's fight. And then look at number 1, and you look at number 2. Number 2 and 1, banal how many points? Banally 23, 18 points. Then it means still high hule dating and high hule points. So Chiefs for now, guys, what we can say is they need not motivation, because they're already motivated. They've got everything in the team. They need somebody who can control the team. They need Penny McCarthy, for example. They need Pizzo Kaliba. They need Coach Eloring in power, and then Elebalaka management, and then it could focus more on the team and their results.
Yeah, because how the management that Chiefs being killed by the player, or they don't know anything about soccer.
It's not about being players, because the boss of the team, remember, Ubapit, and then from my team, Ilori was a player, so he knows better, and then they take the team to Banaba High. So as a Riada, we've got Junior played football, and then it's just that Junior played more of English football. We understand that's the difference. And you look at Jessica, it's a king because we're intelligent. You look at who's this Bobby Leonard's a good person. It's just that but Remonga Gazilla and he listened to other people but barring. It's just that the issue stating goes on because every family has its own differences. But the main issue is that Kaizer Chiefs, putting aside the family and whoever family, Klamela concentrate or how do they improve the club? We understand that then but individually, so that will kill the team. But at this moment, guys, I'll stick on my words saying they need a power coach and a coach Yakasi again. Yeah, Basa need a coach from outside. They need a coach Yakamukasi, Eloring Itabanale total control on the team.
All right, really watch you.
Thanks very much.
Or you have any question, Mr. Mzerawa, that you want to ask?
No, just that what's your take with the present coaches of the team? Having came with Nabi, and then the other one being an interpreter, all of a sudden they are now in charge. Nabi's gone. What's your take on that one?
More issue you Mwenda. Remember, you are saying Utlele and interpreter, and then Kipati and Pasalia, the technical stuff, Nabi. And then Nabi Abanale, a problem with the family, Kiana Salang behind. And then we realize now that Utle is an interpreter, but the bottom line is that he knows that person better than us in terms of how do they work, the working relationship Israel. So Kiona riding Israel. So I think Bona, we've got nothing to say, buyer, and then what we can say is that Chiefs must take them off and then bring somebody else. Then that's it.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Let's check what we said about Main Lodi Sundowns on our show. Recap.
Sundowns indliwe.
Yeah.
Is it because uzwana beyangekho or say
Sundowns no ayimqa umanqoba vele iSundowns without uzwane is not the same Sundowns noma singathini awungaphika lokho mawuthanda ukuphika but sonke siyakwazi lokho as a national team without uzwane is a different national team. Ne Sundowns without uzwane unomehluko uzwane can do anything anytime uyabona so player enga rely too much on other players player elingenza miracle anytime so yeah is a great player uzwane.
So the concept kamanqoba athi yena Sundowns is got lots of talent.
Yeah, uqinisile Sundowns has got lot of talent.
Not replace uzwane.
Hayi umreplace nje ngendlela umreplace ngayo uzwane is a brilliant player. So some players are talented but not very brilliant. You see, it's a combination of skills and the mind. Ibhola it's a mind game. Yeah, ilesikhathi kuzoze kungene le ndaba leyo ukuthi inyawo kumanqoba ngenzeka zigcwala udaka. Uyasikhumbula leso
sikhumbula leso story lesisaringa ngaso vele lana showini. I don't remember ukuthi episode bani mara kulawandlulile lawa. Isike sasho nje ukuthi hey uRulani sekaset ama high standards for iSundowns and the way umanqoba iSundowns yakhe ayisathusi nokuthusa ngithemba ngibheka kule game le eqeda ukudlala nale team yaseAfrika ayisana threat man.
So shothi uya support management ngamanye amagama eSundowns ukuthi hayi bekufanele vele umanqoba after just 5 months appointwe as the head coach eSundowns ukuthi inyawo zigcwala udaka.
No, not to say ukuthi I support management as such because kuyafana bamreplace ngenye coach nje yase Orkante hayi ukuthi mhlambe bamreplace ngecoach yase Kasi as far as coaching development yase Kasi hayi ngibona ukuthi bathatha indlela eright wamele ukuthi bamgaye chance ukuya ngami.
Yeah, but sokhumbula ukuthi umanqoba before azongena kule position uke waba kule position before and kwahamba waba demoted samangala sonke abanye bacabanga ukuthi hayi umanqoba uzoduba ahambe kuSundowns mara umanqoba azange aduba ahambe kuSundowns uye wahlala lokho kunjalo but he was demoted to be assistant kaRulani uRulani wathathwa wabeka phezulu. Ngasikhumbula leso sikhathi.
Ngakhumbula uRulani makazothatha head coach. Ngasikhathi bekunama co-coaches angithi before that.
Yes.
Yeah, and then uRulani wa promote kwaba head coach but iSundowns le kaRulani it was more dangerous ukudlula le kaManqoba style of play and everything. Angazi wena ukuthi le ukuphatha kanjani ukuthi umanqoba sekavayilene wena bongayiboni kanjalo sithe masisho last noPethi sithi hey ngathi umanqoba bazomfaka irayiri amabhutsi
anitha ilona kaManqoba impilo kaManqoba ngathi is at risk manje utashawe emagesi yeah ngathi mina hayi kodwa ngithe masese yeah ngathi masengibuyela ngibheke emuva irecord la kaManqoba ngiyathola ukuthi Stellenbosch simbhacabule 2 times home and away so lokho azange kube mnandi ku management yeSundowns kanti ke abaziyo abasihlebela bathi lapha kuSundowns since kwaba nale yankinga kaMkwena noMudawu ukuthi makuqala isizini uMkwena noMudawu umanqoba ngabadlalisi so leyo nto leyo iyafaka umanqoba enkingeni ukuthi akabadlalisi mara ngale ku national team uHugo Bruce izingwazi zakhe abulala amazwe ngazo. Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngedisk asiya masuka commentator samajita waseKasi Afrostyle disc adlali disc that's why siringa ngedisk. Yes yeah ibonge likijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky supreme. See it in Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go, 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 go. I caramba no. Disky, that's the only truth they know. success. My team is pure, your